So have you ever wanted to change the voice on your Siri? You don't like the standard voice, so you want to make it a male or a female voice? I'm going to show you how you do that. First of all, you're going to want to open up System Preferences, which you can find in your dock, or you can go to Launchpad and type in System Preferences. Once you're here, you'll be presented with this menu once again. You can type in Siri, or you can find it on the top bar, just there. So to change the voice is very simple. You have a variety of different options you can choose, including British, Australian, Irish, South African, Indian and American. So I'm going to change mine from British to Irish.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
There you can hear it, you might pick that up on the mic, and you can even pick between the voices.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
And there you are. That is simply how you change the accent and the gender of the voice on your Siri. Thanks for watching and subscribe.